If you have this symbol on your dash, stay tuned, you need a cabin filter. So we are under the hood of our E90. This one here is 2007 323. So anyway, here is the cabin filter where it is. So I just have my little impact. We're going to get it out, and there's only 6 bolts, so they're actually pretty easy to get out, and it should be a fairly quick job. Oh, and we have a broken piece here. This one's still okay. And a dead battery. And there's our bolt. There we go. And here we go. So, long cabin filter, that's what it looks like. So I got our new cabin filter. Try to fit it in the picture. That's the part number. It's a Mann part number, which is pretty good. So all we do, there's these little tabs. We just push them down, pull them out like so. There we go. And then this should just, there we go. And it just comes out just like so. And there's the old filter, and as you can see, it was pretty dirty. So there's the difference. So now we just line up the new filter. There's our center point, and then these just go in underneath. All right, so I got it in, so it took a little bit of persuading. It is tight. I found the easiest way is to start at this end and just work your way around. I actually had to put it on my lap so I could get a good push, and then just make sure that it fully seats and these clips are fully in. So I'll try to zoom in here on one of these clips. There you can see there's one of the clips. So you just gotta make sure the clips are fully in. There's 3 on the top. There's the other one, and lastly, right there, you can see. So it is tight, but it's pretty easy to change. And then now all we do is we line it up here, and then we can just put the 6 screws back in. It's actually easier than I think it's, or easier than I thought. Not easier than I think. It's my first time doing one of these things, and it's really was not that hard at all. I don't want to use a power tool to put it in, so I'm just grabbing my 8mm sort of on like a speed driver thing. And we can just start our bolts here. And I don't want to tighten them all the way up. I'll leave them kind of a little bit loose just so I can get them all in and make sure that it's centered, and then I'll go around and tighten them all up. So this one here, unfortunately, as you saw when I was taking it off, it was cracked. So, I mean, I guess I can put the screw back in there. It doesn't really help any, but might be good if ever one day someone drops a screw and they can't find it, then they can at least take the screw out and reuse it for another part. And there we go, it's changed. Tighten this one down, that's an extra screw if someone ever needs one. And that's it. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. That's all you need, is just 8mm to do it. It's a really easy job. A lot of people maybe don't do them themselves, but something like this can be easily done. I didn't even get oily at all, a little bit of dirt, but that's it. So really easy. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Subscribe. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. I answer everything. Thanks so much.